Hey, it's Cornelis from Your Band is a Business, and today I want to show you how to claim your Google Knowledge Panel. So I typed in 21 Pilots into Google, and here on the right hand side you can see the Knowledge Panel. You can see photos, link to the website, link to where you can listen to their music. You can see information from Wikipedia pulled in here. You can see upcoming concerts, photos, videos, all of that good stuff, and that is the knowledge panel, as you can see here at the bottom. Now when you do a search for me, for Cornelis Gerard, you can see on the left here the various results for me, my website, social media profiles, videos. That's all good, but on the right hand side my knowledge panel is very limited. Just my name, some links to where you can hear my music, and that's it really. So what do I need to do in order to have a knowledge panel that looks like that of 21 Pilots? Well, I need to claim the knowledge panel. Now, I don't think it will immediately look like that of 21 Pilots or other big artists. I think what will happen is that over time, as more data and information goes online about me, more videos, more links, etc., then that knowledge panel will slowly fill out and contain more information. But in order to get that process started, I need to claim it. So let's get started. So enhance your presence on Google. Let's do it. Get verified. So first it asks you to say whether you are representing the organization or entity, or if you are the entity yourself. And I'm using my Gmail account that I use for all the Google profiles, so YouTube and things like that, and that's probably a good idea for you to do as well. And obviously I'm going to say I am the entity. So then you need to enter your stage name, your artist name, your band name, and then your full legal name. Then provide a link to the knowledge panel itself, and it shows you here in an image how to do that. You do a search and then click the share button, get the link, and you enter it here. Next, you need to provide screenshots that show that you are logged in to between 2 and 5 different social media profiles or websites. So the ones that you see on the front page when you do a search for your artist name or your band name, those are the ones that you need to use. So for example, for me, I will take a screenshot of being logged into Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, and then and I'll put in the URL for those profiles and then the relevant screenshot. The final thing that I will need to do is upload a self-portrait of myself holding government approved photo ID, so probably a passport or driving license. And then finally I will need to say why I want to be verified, and I'll just write that I'm the artist and I want to claim the knowledge panel, and then I will hit submit. So I will do that now, and I'll see how long it takes to get verified, and I will show you what the results are. And fast forward, this is about a week after I claimed my panel, and as you can see on the right hand side it looks different because we now have the option to suggest an edit. So when I click there, you see little pencils appear next to the different sections, and as I said, it is something that you can suggest, but you need to provide evidence. So it says here, please provide URLs to authoritative web page or pages. So say I decide to change my artist name, then I have to point to, for example, my official website to show that I have indeed changed my name. And the same goes for these other options. So what I'm a musical artist, and for example which songs I want to highlight. Now this section here is something new. This is called a story or a post, and in order to create one of those you click here. Now it is basically a way for you to add really up-to-date information. And these stories, they're like Instagram stories, except they stay there for a whole 7 days, and you can have, I think, up to 8 different stories in that feed. And you can have pictures, you can have links, you can have videos, and apparently you can even have animated GIFs. So I'll just show you what the dashboard for that looks like. On the left here, you can update your name, you can change your logo or image, you can even add other users, and obviously there's things like settings. And if you want to have a little explanation of how it all works, then there's the get started and help sections. But I'll just show you here. It's very straightforward. You have story, you have an article, a video, an event, or a poll. And this is one I made earlier. So I added some images, I added a link to Spotify, and it's just something really simple like this. When it comes to SEO, I think it's important to use all of these features that Google provides, because these are signals to the Google algorithm that it uses in order to provide users with all the relevant information. So it's highly recommended that you claim your panel, your knowledge panel, and then occasionally post up a little story. That's it for now. If you found this useful, please share it with your musician friends, and remember to like and subscribe, and if you're on YouTube, hit the little bell so that you get notified when I put up a new video.